Well, hello you guys, Charles Frank here. This video, I want to show you and tell you exactly why you need me. um, so this last deal, everyone says, I'll just pick an agent, I'll just pick, a realtor, but you gotta pick the right one. And the reason being, this last deal would not have gone through if it wasn't for me and my team. Let me tell you exactly what happened in a very short period of time. We did everything. We did the staging. We got the appraiser to put the number where it was at by me meeting the appraiser and sweet talking the appraiser. I helped with the repairs because the client was having a little trouble with it. I even personally moved out a washer, dryer, and refrigerator. Now, the big thing that happened was the other agent on the other end, their lender, made a huge mistake. We were about to get out of escrow, and the lender on their side, so this had nothing to do with our team, but our team is the one who fixed it. Their lenders said, I forgot to get Fannie Mae approval on the property and it's going to take 2 weeks. We were about to exit escrow within a couple of days, and we set up the contracts where there was a $20,000 earnest money deposit. All contingencies were removed. We checked off each box even before the lender dropped that on us. And we said, when the lender said that, well, we don't got 2 weeks. All contingencies are removed. The $20,000 earnest money deposit is given to us if we decide to cancel it right here, right now, today. The lender said, well, you're not going to get anyone else to approve of this loan because Fannie Mae doesn't have approval on it, and all lenders use Fannie Mae. And we said, well, we got a cash buyer that doesn't need Fannie Mae. So unless you figure something out right now, we can legally cancel this one, go with that cash buyer, pocket our client $20,000, and you'll have just messed up your client on your end. And our client was very thankful that we were competent enough to get the contracts to be on our side. We set them up in a position. About 2 days later, because it happened on Friday, so 3 days later, on Monday, the agent said, so sorry about my lender. This is on us. I don't want to upset your client. I don't want you to take the $20,000. Our client has fired that lender, and they're going to do a full cash buy so that we can close the deal. Now, if you didn't have my team, and it's me and Fernando and Sylvia on your side, or if you tried to sell the home on your own, you would have not gotten the home sold within a month of listing it at the market value, while 3 other properties in that same building are still on sale for being on sale for 4 months. It would have fallen through because there were 3 different times it would have fallen through. My kid is waking up. I got my kid for the day. We moved. So do as I say. Here's my beautiful daughter walking up. Do as I do, not just as I say. I'm moving during this time period. And I hope to hear from you guys very soon. Thank you. Bye.